Hello student, today we are going to start new chapter number 7, unit number 4, alternating current. What is alternating current? An electric current at which the magnitude of current changes with time and polarity reverses periodically is called alternating current. You see the diagram. This is a time diagram for alternating current. Here current at point O is 0. This current is increasing as the time increasing. Current increasing. At time t by 4, current becomes maximum. And this maximum current is called peak value or maximum value or amplitude of current. After time t by 4, the magnitude current decreasing and decreasing. At time t by 2, the current becomes 0. Magnitude of current becomes 0. Again, another direction, the magnitude current increasing and it becomes maximum at time t by 4, that is minus I naught, maximum value. Here plus maximum value I naught plus I naught. This is also maximum value and this also maximum value. Again after time t by 4, the current again decreasing becomes at time t current becomes 0. So in this way the polarity of current once becomes positive value, once become negative value. The instantaneous value of all the alternating current is I equal to I naught sine of omega t, or I equal to, you can write I naught cos of omega t, where I naught is maximum value or peak value or amplitude of alternating current. Similarly, same diagram if we show for alternating EMF. What is alternating EMF? The EMF or alternating voltage at which the magnitude of voltage changes with time and polarity reverses periodically is called alternating EMF. The instantaneous value of alternating EMF is given by E equal to E naught sine of omega t, and we can write E equal to E naught cos of omega t, where E naught is the peak value or maximum value or amplitude of alternating voltage. Now I want to discuss some terms related to alternating current. Terms related to alternating current. Number 1, instantaneous current. Instantaneous current. The magnitude of the varying current at any instant is called instantaneous current. It is given by I equal to I naught sine of omega t, or I equal to I naught cos omega t. Similarly, instantaneous voltage is given by E equal to E naught sine of omega t, or E equal to E naught cos of omega t. peak value. The maximum value of the current in either direction is called peak value of AC. Here E naught and I naught. E naught is the peak value of alternating EMF or voltage. I naught is the peak value of alternating current. If you see the diagram here, this is peak value for current I naught, another direction minus I naught. This is the peak value. If you same diagram we can show for EMF. If you write E naught, here minus E naught. Now what is frequency? Frequency, it is defined as the number of cycles the sine wave makes per second. It is denoted by f or nu. F or nu equal to omega by 2 pi, where omega is angular frequency. Now period. What is period? The period of alternating current or EMF is the time required to go through one complete cycle of change. It is denoted by T. So T equal to, can write two pi by omega. Since omega is 2 pi by T, so T equal to 2 pi by omega. Thank you.